Okay, here's the replacement warranty light that photocell didn't work that they give us. This isn't the photocell; it's the other one they give us. Internally. It's probably the LED driver under this container, the cover here. But since I got a 5-year warranty on this sucker, I just got another one. But this is basically all it is. And you look close, you can see the lights. I don't know if they're Creed LEDs or not, but there's a whole cluster. This is like 70,000 candle power or something. I don't know, but it's a pretty powerful light. Here's it right here. Let's see what it says. There we go. Hope you can read that. The only bad thing, made in China, but it seems like you just can't. Let me get it focused here first. Come on, focus. Let's go. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's pretty bright. And finally, the photocell goes on right. The other one was off. This one faces north, because the way we got our light, the eye faces north. It even says on top. You probably can't see it, but so now we go install it. Here we go. There's your dinner. Taking it down again. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was fast. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now that's definitely your dinner. You don't need to take that off, Johnny, unless you want it to look pretty. You might if you want. If you want it to look pretty, go for it. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Look at that. See? You complain when I had you guys eat a box of Wheaties a day when you're kids. Now look what you could do when you did that.
Isn't that amazing?
It is amazing. Okay, now he's going to take it apart first. He's going to mark it. He bring out, I'm make sure you have the right tool.
Yep.
Sure is dark. Okay, he's trying to find the right Allen wrench. What size is it? I'm guessing that looks like a what? 5 or 6 millimeter? What's that?
5.5.
Okay, you got a 5? I bet you it's probably a 4. All right, I think I had that. I think they gave me an Allen wrench. I put it somewhere where I could find it. There you go. Yeah, he's taking it off now, which isn't rocket appliances. That looks good. Does it look good? And then pull it out, and there's your dinner. Pull them babies out. And oh, by the way, needless to say, we turned the power off to the light pole. Okay, black to black. White to white. You should be saying this, Michael. You're the master.
Oh,
look at that. Someone is smart. Look, they put that antioxidant on this outside connections. See, that's why I have Michael do it. Oh, there you go. Beautiful. Now, what you got to do is you got to take that clamp off, put it over here, and transfer it to that one.
Okay.
Because we got to send the light back. They want to see what's wrong with it. You know what they're going to do? They're going to take that cover off. They're going to put a new LED controller in there. Pretty good company. They sent me the stuff right away, no questions asked. They sent me a photocell first to test it, which was smart. Are they threaded?
They seem to be.
Well, look at that. Holy, holy. And then they then sent me the light that didn't work. And I had it here in just a few days. Pretty good. 5-year warranty. There, I'd say their warranty is pretty darn good, but the longevity of the lights is not that good. Easy, easy. I don't show you tighten them. He's good tighten up. Now we put the new light on. Now it's fun with this. There's no room. And I don't know why I'm filming this, because everyone knows how to, that's going to do this work, knows how to twist wires. It's white to white, black to black, and green to green. And he tightens it. Michael's got his fingers are trained. He tightens it exactly to 37.6 foot-pounds. That's a joke out there. I don't know what the poundage is supposed to be. He tightens till he hears that plastic cap start cracking. There we go. There we go. There's the cat. If you could go down his back again. Now this time you're not afraid, are you? Now you want to come after the camera.
Oh, that's a different one.
Oh, okay.
That's the movie star.
Well, that is a movie star, isn't it? That's the first little baby I filmed.
The movie star doesn't fear the camera.
Now the biggest, toughest thing about this whole job, he marked it, is making sure that this thing is going to be, what, to right angles to the ground or parallel to the ground?
Well, it is. It is lined up the way it was before.
See, the toughest thing is the pole's crooked here like this, and if it was perfectly, level with the ground, you'd be easy. Does it look straight to you? Your eye's better than mine.
It looks good to me from what I'm seeing, but.
And when you're done doing it, you make sure it's, parallel to the ground or right angles to the ground, whatever you want to call it. You got to test it to make sure before you put the pole up. So my son's in the house turning the breaker on, and we got an off switch here because we have campfires, and we put an off switch in line there, down there, right above that outlet, so you could turn this off. So you could, when a campfire, oh yeah, look at it, it comes on, works like a charm. That is a very bright light.
Can we tell Michael that he can shut it off?
No, you can leave it on.
Oh.
This is what I got to deal with. If you won't pick him up, leave him go. Leave him alone. Leave him on filming. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. This is what I deal with. And I can't even film him. Let's see. See?
Bad habit, though.
It's a good habit.
Now when they get older,
These cats are nuts, Linda.
climbing up on your clothes is not. It's bad.
Hey, Johnny, he's on my hat. But you want to film him on my hat? He just climbed up my leg.
Is it filming right now?
It should be. See the red dot on the right?
Yep.
He climbed all the way up. Let's see. Let's see.
A nice flat spot for him.
I told you these kittens ain't normal. The light came on beautifully, Michael.
Did it nice.
Or Johnny, come over here, Johnny. Put your hand over the photocell. The little eye here. That little clear piece in the front. Put your hand over. Wait for one. There you go. See, it's on. See? There you go. Now it's shut on. Okay, now you have to come down. Why are you guys involved in every video I do? There they go with their mother. Go follow her footprints. Of course, some are Michael's footprints. But that one don't follow. He wants to go through the snow. What's the mother doing? Rolling in the snow?
Nice.
Get him out of there. What troublemakers. Troublemakers. It's pretty light. I mean, it looks like it's really dangerous to do it, but that was a pretty light pole now. When I first put it up, it wasn't. It was fresh lumber. Remember now, it'll go beyond the... Get that pipe in there, Johnny. Wiggle it as he wiggles the pole. You might have to wiggle the pole. Give him the hammer, will you, Linda? There you go. There you go. Give him the hammer, will you, Linda? Right there. She's bringing the hammer, Johnny.
Before he does that, how does it look to you?
It looks good, but I have to let you guys look at it. Just wait, Johnny. Let's see. The toughest part about that is getting that light so it's parallel to the ground.